Hello and welcome back to the channel. Yesterday we cashed again. So VIP is on a smoking hot streak right now and you're going to want to be a part of it. So we got two games for Monday Night Football tonight. So we got 4 offenses to go ahead and match up with. So I'm pumped for it. We went up over 60 units last week and we're looking to do the same. The new VIP week pass just dropped. And if you go over there, it's $100 right now. If you use the code NEIGHBORS, Malik Neighbors, last name Neighbors, that's going to get you 70% off of the week pass for starting today, Monday the 23rd, all the way until the 29th Sunday. So next Sunday, it's going to get you all the plays for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then a lot of plays Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So go ahead and get over there. Get signed up. That's going to sell out. Neighbors is only available for the first 15 users that sign up. So go ahead and get signed up over there. After cashing 60 units, go ahead and do yourself a favor and get signed up because we're going to go and run it up again this weekend. So let's hop into what we won yesterday. Neighbors and Saquon Barkley here. We won that one. That's one of the reasons why the discount code is Neighbors. He cashed for us easily. So we hit that one. We hit this little 2-man with Jefferson and Nico Collins. Same game over on Chalkboard. We hit this one on Chalkboard, part of their 6-pack discounts with Cam Ward and Alvin Kamara. Hit that one $10.31. Hit this one from their 6-pack. Aaron Jones over, Emmett Brown over, $10 into 29. We hit this 2-man with Anthony Santander and Alvin Kamara. Both over. That was part of their discounted boost props that they give out every day. We hit this one as well. We hit this one from their 10-pack or their 6-pack, $10 into 28 with DJ Moore and Kyle McCord. We hit this one with Nico Collins, Justin Jefferson, and Jordan Montgomery over on Chalkboard. We hit this little 3-man with the discounted prop on Underdog. CeeDee Lamb, free pick, and then Miller Moss and Omarion Hampton over on their rushing and passing yards. And then we hit this one as well with the 6-pack. I believe we went 4 for 6 on the 6-pack discount. So ended up profiting huge on that because we only needed to win 2 or 3 to actually profit. But we ended up getting 4. We hit this one with J.K. Dobbins and Brock Purdy there. So huge day there, along with we hit some more on Dabble with Geno Smith, DK Metcalf, and then Zay Flowers under. This one with Devontae Adams and Jose Iglesias. Hit this 4-man over on BETR. This 2-man, this was a late one that they gave out with Bijan Robinson, anytime TD boosted player prop. Then matched that up with Rashee Rice. And we hit that one as well. And then this one over on BETR, we hit that one with the discounted receptions on Rashee Rice and then Kirk Cousins under. So those were some of the wins from yesterday. So go ahead and get over on the Winible. That's winnable.com/907fantasysports. That's where all the discounted plays are going to be at. That's where all VIP is going to be at. You can get over there. You can sign up for the free pass. That's going to get you some free plays every day. And then the week pass and regular season-long pass and regular VIP is all over there as well. That's going to get you access to all the VIP plays. So I believe there's over 100 plays on VIP this last week. We went up over 60 units, so can't complain there. That was a huge week. Great week in terms of profit. So we're building up that bankroll. We're building our accounts. We're going to go out and profit this week. So go ahead, use the code NEIGHBORS over there. Get signed up for the week pass. That's going to get you 70% off right now. So let's hop into what we're playing today. We're over on Chalkboard again. Chalkboard, I love their site. It's one of my favorites out there. They give out discounted props and boosted props every single day that we can go and play on. So we're going over there. If you guys are new to Chalkboard, use the code 907fantasy to get signed up, and they're going to match your deposit up to $100. So you'll have $200 to go and play with so you can play this one. So this is a discounted player prop today. The max you can put on it is $10. If I could put $1,000 on it, I would. I'm super confident in this one. $10, but it's going to turn $10 into $21.90. So we're going to double our money here tonight. So go ahead and take advantage of that with the code Chalkboard. Really, all you have to do is put $5 in. They're going to match your deposit. So you have $10 to go and play on this one. Put all $10 on this one, and you're going to turn it into $21.90 tonight by watching some football. So first up, they've discounted Josh Allen's passing yards to 1 yard. So he needs 1 yard to win. We cashed that one. Second up, we're going Brian Thomas Jr. Over 19.5 receiving yards. And then we're going lastly, Austin Eckler over 9.5 receiving yards. That one I am so confident in. He's been Jane Daniels' just security blanket. Jane Daniels' first couple games in the league. He's been getting blitzed. So he's just dumping it off to the running back there. And Austin Eckler's been getting around 40, 50 receiving yards every game. So 9.5 here. Easy win. Looking to turn $10 into $21.90 tonight. So that's the free play today. There's at least 10 more plays over on VIP. So make sure to go get signed up over there. It's going to be $30 with the code NEIGHBORS for the week pass. So good luck with all of your plays today. If you're going to be telling me on this one here, go ahead and let me know down in the comments below. All the links to Underdog, Sleeper, Chalkboard, VIP, all of that is going to be down in the description below. So go ahead and take advantage of all those for all the free money down there. But good luck with all your plays today. Let's go cash. Let's go have another big week. And good luck with all that. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.